Hello, you beautiful people of the planet Earth. Welcome to another episode of Life Learner. So today's episode is Get Ready With Me Work From Home edition. Yes, today we're working from home, but we have to look really good for ourselves so that when you're working, you're still feeling like, your best self rather than just wake up and then get to the computer right away. It's not something that I would want to do, but sometimes I do admit I do that. It's because life happens, but I always take time to make skincare, well-being, beauty a priority. And it's something that is really nice to do for yourself. And once you cultivate this routine, you will not look back. I'm telling you. Okay, so I've just got out from the shower. My hair is a little bit damp and I will do a second wash. I do a double cleanse for my face. So I already washed it while I was in the shower. Now I'm gonna do my second cleansing, but first, before I do anything else, I would put like a hair moisturizer on my hair because, as you all know, I had my hair dyed. It's brown, so it tends to dry up. Notice I did not spray onto my roots directly. It's just on the hair because I have a really fine hair and I want to protect my scalp. I just don't want to aggravate whatever chemical or hormonal stuff that's going on in there. I just don't want to risk it. Okay, so now I am going to second cleanse, or the double cleanse would be this. And my favorite beauty tool, I can't live without this. I have actually bought a second one just in case I go, because sometimes I travel for work. Actually, most of the time I travel for work. So this one, it is always in my bathroom, and the other one goes with me wherever I go. So let's start. So I just had to wet the brush head a little bit, and I would put on like a pea-sized of this gorgeous LumiSpa treatment cleanser rose. It smells amazing, guys. It smells like perfume, and it does have a calming effect every time I do this in the morning. So let's pop the skin and let's start. As you can see, I'm not digging in. It's just like really guiding the tool, the device, where it should go. But look at you saw the stimulation, the blood circulation that it gave me. I just love that, and it's pretty gentle. So we want that gentle cleansing, gentle device we want on our face. We don't want to be harsh because why would we? I mean, we are at this day and age where technology is highly advanced, and the phrase beauty is pain is becoming a thing of the past, and I love that. I love new discovery, medical breakthroughs in terms of beauty, health, wellness. So how are you doing, guys? Is everybody good? I hope you're all doing well and happy and alive and thankful and grateful. just being able to wake up today, that's already a blessing and an opportunity. So we are done. I'm just gonna take this off. It's pretty simple, it's just that. And you wash it off. I would still try to let my hands do its thing. I mean, it smells divine. It smells like a rose. The name itself has lived up to the expectation. Look at that. Instantly, you can see how different the glow is on my face compared to my neck. Ta-da! Look at that fresh, luminous face. I mean, you can see it. You can see the tone. I'm not lying to you guys. This is why I love this product. So, let me just tighten this towel. So, yeah. I like that moisturizing spray, hair moisturizer, because it gives me a little bit of a volume. You can see that. I haven't actually dried the entire hair because it will take me a while. So while I'm doing my face, I would just leave it like that and, you know, let nature dry it completely. So I will start with the usual cleanse, tone, moisturize. I just use my hands and gently tap. The excess, I rub it on my hands and then I let it dry. I hope you guys are actually, you know, doing that, you have a routine, that you really take time in taking care of your skin, because if you want good skin, you have to work for it. It's like a deposit. Every day you make a deposit on something, eventually in a year or 2 or 3, you're gonna get dividends, you're gonna get interest, it's gonna accumulate. So as with everything, if you put in an effort, it is impossible that you won't get any return. So I will then put in vitamin C. Actually, this is vitamin B. Vitamin B first, and then C. And then moisturizer, and I'll then go with sunscreen. Also make sure I put excess products on my neck, my décolletage, and I let it be absorbed by my skin for like 30 seconds to a minute, depends on. It gets caught in my earring. That's why I think it's taking a while to heal, because it gets caught all the time, and I pull my hair so it pulls the skin. But anyways, so vitamin C. It smells amazing. It smells like a fruit. You know, the citrusy fruit, like a mandarin, you can really smell the citrusy scent. And again, you let it dry. Eye cream. I'm really pretty happy with what I've been doing so far, because I can really see and feel for myself my skin has improved a lot, like massively improved from the time that I started having skin problems. I looked older, maybe 10 years older than I was when I started having skin problems from when I moved here. But now, pretty happy with it. I don't even break out, and when I break out, it's not on my face, it doesn't sit on my face, it could just be under my chin or here, nothing on the face. So moisturizer, should we know? Collagen. Yeah, as we age, you gotta layer your moisturizer or your serums, but you need to make sure you're applying products that your skin actually has acclimatized with, because if you try a new product and it doesn't sit or it doesn't get along with your skin, I'm sorry, you're gonna have to try another one. And to answer your question, you're probably questioning, do I get breakout because of the layers that I put and it might be congesting my pores? No, so far no. So to each his own. That's why you need to find out your own chemistry. You need to, again, it's very important, you need to prep your skin to tell it that you're gonna be starting a new skincare routine. So I would highly suggest go for a Genesis laser or a facial or skin needling, because that's basically what I did. So I can show you what I did that worked for me. You can only try whatever like facial treatments are available near you or available in your area, in your country. This is the moisturizer with SPF 15, but this is not my main sunscreen face cream that I would rely on, because it's only 15 SPF, and in Australia it is horrible. When I'm at home, I would tolerate using this, because even though this is water-based, I'm not really oily the way that I used to be, so I can tolerate this, and it doesn't leave my face looking oily. It gets absorbed fairly quickly. I know my skin loves this. The skin loves to be moisturized and pampered. This is what I've been dreaming of. When I had skin issues back then, I would think to myself, I really want to have cheeks that feel like the baby's bum. So now I can actually say that it feels like a bum, baby's bum. So I'd let that sit for a bit, and normally when I'm in a rush, I would make sure that it's mattified and quickly dried up by putting on a little bit of face powder, but because I'm not going anywhere, I will just start with my eyebrows, a little bit of eyeliner, lips, and then cheek tint. So before anything else, I would let this gloss sit on my lips to moisturize. So while the sunscreen is still trying to dry up, I'm going to start with my eyebrows. Too crazy because we're not going anywhere, but this is usually how I do my brows, so it looks just darker than, you know, how it was feathered. So I will then do my eyeliner. Not too crazy, nothing too crazy. I just, because if I don't put eyeliner, every time I like look down and then really look on the floor, and when someone's looking at me, they'll think I'm sleeping, because I have a the kind of eyes wherein you look sleepy, and I don't know, they say it looks like I have the eyes of like the Japanese or the Chinese. I don't know, but people would just think, are you sleepy? Are you falling asleep? I'm not. So that's why I want to make sure my eyes are big when I'm starting my day. So I have to have eyeliner on. Otherwise, when people talk to me, they might think I'm uninterested because I look sleepy, but that's not really the case. I just have the sleepy type of eyes. Normally I would start there, but depending on how I feel, I then would sometimes line my under eyes. That really does look better. So we'll have to do the other one. I look like I'm smitten you. So that's basically what I just do on my eyes. And of course I will have to curl my lashes and do the mascara, but before that, it's definitely drying up. But I will then try and help it to dry and blend in with my skin by applying just a little bit of baby powder. Any powder will do. You can have that setting makeup powder. You can use a brush, but I don't do that so that I can just control the amount of powder that I put on my hands and onto my face. So not a lot really, just a little bit to let the product set. Because we're working from home, not going anywhere. Blush brush. Because if I don't put blush on my face, I look like a blank canvas. And you can then tell there's, you know, you've got a different attitude now that we've added color to my face. So it really makes quite a difference. Quite, or maybe a big difference. And then a little bit of contour. I let it sit under my brush. A little bit on my nose. Sometimes I put eyeshadow, but because it's a sunny day, we want to look bright and, I don't know, sunny. It's a sunny day outside, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of glitters to my lid. I'm not sure you can see that, but I think you do. That looks nice, right? Lovely. Yeah. So when you look at yourself, it's like, ooh, sparkling. So this is basically it. I'm ready for working from home. So again, you guys, I hope you got inspired to take the time to look after yourself, get ready for the day, because it is indeed a brand new opportunity. And whatever effort and time you invest in yourself, you are definitely going to reap the benefits. It's, you know, everyday savings, you'll gain interest. It's impossible not to reap the benefits eventually. All right, so that's it for now. I hope you guys have a lovely and wonderful day. Again, share the love, share the light. Namaste. Bye.